welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all very well and are having a fab day. Please excuse the humming in the background. I have got a fan on. It is so hot in my house right now. Yeah, need the fan to help me cool down. I have not got a wind machine. I know my hair is blowing. Right, I am testing a makeup palette out today. I haven't done a video like this for a while. I never really do chatty makeup videos, so I thought I would do one a little bit different. The makeup palette that I'm going to be testing out today is the I Heart Makeup Macaroons palette. Now this one is the blue chocolate bar palette, and oh my god, it's amazing. Look at those shades. Here's a little closer peek. Amazing. So this palette is cruelty free and you've got a nice selection of matte and metallic shades. There is shades from like shimmery golds to beige and browns to my fave colours, greens. You know I love a green and a blue. So I'm going to be testing out this palette today. I'm going to be doing a spotlight eye look. I love doing these at the moment. I think it's because I'm kind of trying to get better at them. Yes, I'm going to be probably using the chocolate shade to contour my crease. Then I'm going to be using Nom Nom on the inside and outside. I love that one, Nom Nom. And then I'm going to be using Desert in the... Desert? Dessert. It's got to be dessert, isn't it? Because it's macaroons. Then I'm going to be using Dessert in the centre. I'm going to be doing the same spotlight on the top and the underneath of my lid. And I'm probably going to attempt to try Dessert out on my cheekbones and my nose as a highlight. So we'll put that to the test to see if this palette can also be used as a highlight palette as well. Yeah, let's get going. So to start with, I'm going to be taking the chocolate colour. So this is like a beige, brownie, matte eyeshadow. And I'm going to be applying that in my crease. So I've just got a fluffy brush from, oh, I'm not actually sure where this is from. There's nothing on the bottom of this brush. Yeah, could be anywhere. So it's just a nice fluffy brush that fits perfectly in my crease. And yeah, the colour seems really easy to blend. Really easy to blend, and it's very buildable, which is what I love because I'm not very good at eye makeup, and I just find that if the colour comes out really intense straight away, then I am shit at blending. So I just need something that's buildable because I find it is just easy to blend, and this does that. I love that, really like that, super nice. I'm going to put a little bit just underneath my eye, but not too close to the lash line, just kind of underneath that, like kind of the socket bit of my eye underneath, just a little bit, like so. We'll do the other one now, so just underneath that socket. God, that wind, it's making me eyes water. That's the only downside of doing videos when it's hot. I literally sweat. That's why I need this fan, but then it makes my eyes water. So it's just not a great situation. Right, we're going in to the other crease now. I don't know why, but I always find it harder to do this one. I don't know whether it's because with this one I'm using this hand, but this side I'm going like opposite. I really love that colour for the crease. It's a nice everyday one actually. Most of my everyday makeup consists of just doing the crease and then just putting some mascara on. That's what I've been doing a lot lately, and it's definitely a nice shade for that. So step one done. Right, on to the next one now. Let's take Nom Nom. I'm really keen to see how this one comes out. See whether it's super pigmented. I mean, it looks really pigmented on my brush right now. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god, it's so metallic. I literally love metallic eyeshadows. There's just something about them. I'm not actually getting too much drop off, which is nice, because that's something I also hope, because I never do my eye makeup first. I always do my base first and then I do my eye makeup, just because I just prefer it, and I like to have a nice clean slate on my lid for when I do my eyes. Yeah, this is really nice. Really nice. So I'm kind of just leaving a little gap in the middle there to do the spotlight. I'm going to take a bit of a fluffy brush now just to blend that colour into the crease. Really, dogs? Are you gonna fight when I'm filming? So just taking that out. Yeah, I like that. I really like that. I'm going to just try wetting my brush just to see if the eyeshadow goes a bit more metallic. So I've just wet my brush. Let's see if this comes out a little bit more intense. Well, it does slightly. Definitely brings out the metallicness a little bit more. Look at that. So nice. Yeah, I love that colour. I love it. Right, let's do the underneath. Probably should use a different brush for this. Let me use a different brush. Use a slightly thinner one, just so I can go under my eye here. Yeah, that's a bit better, isn't it? So I'm going to leave the centre part of my eye underneath, just so I can do that spotlight later on. God, it's actually so much better when your brush is wet. It really does bring it out a bit more. I really love that. So vibrant and metallic and so green. Right, let's quickly do the other one. So just cleaned my brush and I'm going to go in with the dessert shade now, which is this really amazing kind of gold iridescent eyeshadow colour. Again, metallic. I'm going to try it without wetting my brush first. Oh, I love it. I love it already. It's kind of going a bit greeny over the top of the Nom Nom shade. It's kind of going a bit lime. Oh, I love that colour change. Right, guys, this is literally the perfect shade for a spotlight look. Look at that already. It's so good. Oh my god, I'm loving it. It's so nice. I haven't even put a concealer base on this and it's just come out like that. It's so good. I love the kind of limey gold kind of colour it's got. It's got definitely got like a limey tint. I love it. It's really fab. And I haven't even wet my brush for this one. So cool. I am going to wet my brush though. Let's see if it comes out a little bit more intense. Well, it literally looks like a metallic kind of fluid. Like really creamy. It's so nice. Right, let's do the underneath. Don't know if you can see. Oh my god, and they just dropped the palette. Yep. If you can see, it's gone really creamy from adding water. It has definitely gone a bit more greeny, but also I don't know whether that's because I had a bit of Nom Nom on my brush still before. I did clean it, but I do love how it's gone lime though. Really love how it's gone live. Alright, let's finish off this spotlight eye. It's a very, very easy eye look, but it is about blending. But I am getting better at blending. It does make it easy when the eyeshadows are good though. And these are so good. I love it. It's so funky. Also, the palette is so cool as well. Look at that. A blue chocolate bar. I mean, it's just, yeah. It's just fab. Right. Let's finish off this eye look with some mascara. So I'm going to be using the Unlimited Mascara from L'Oreal. It is one of my fave mascaras at the moment. I just push up my lashes with my fingers beforehand. Got a bit of an itch on my nose, sorry. And then I apply it, so let's get going. Just really like it. It really pushes up my lashes. I love the rubbery spiky brush. It really separates them. And also when you get to that stubborn bit on the inner corner of your eye, you can just pop the top down like that and get right in. Like so. Alright, let's quickly do this other one. Right, so I really want to try out the sugar coated eyeshadow here because I feel like it would be a really nice highlighter just for the arch of your brow. So let's give it a go. Let me just clean my brush. I'm not wetting this or anything. Just want to see. Ooh. That is nice. Just a little bit of a shimmer there. Can we see it? It's really nice, kind of a whitish shimmer. Really good for just highlighting that brow arch. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Right. Let's see if we can highlight my cheekbones with that dessert shade. I'm just gonna wipe it in the palette just because I wet it quite a bit. I don't really want it to be wet when I go in for highlight. So I don't want it to be too pigmented. So I've got a nice little fluffy brush here from Real Techniques. I'm just dabbing it on that colour. Let's see how this comes out. Oh, it does work. That's really nice. I love how it ties the eye look and the cheeks together. I really like that. And it's buildable, which is nice. Ooh. Ooh, I'll dab on the nose now. Down the bridge of my nose. On top of my lip and my chin. And let's do this cheek here. That is really nice. I love it. Really like it. Look at that. Look at that glow. I'm going to just go over the top of my eyebrow a little bit now. Yeah, I love that. It's really, really nice. And it just ties the whole look together. I'm really pleased with how this is looking. Right, let's finish off with a lip. Now I'm finishing off with the Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick from L'Oreal called Les Chocolates. And it is shade 854. This is one of my fave everyday shades. I didn't want to go too heavy with the lip, so I thought I'd just do a plain one just because I wanted this look to be focused on the eyes. So this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I am so pleased with that palette. So I tested out 4 of the shades. There are so many more in that palette, so I definitely need to test them all out at some point. But just going from the few shades that I did use, I'm really, really liking it. And I love the fact that you can use it for a highlight as well. And yeah, it's super pigmented, really easy to blend, it's buildable, just things that I love in a palette. So yeah, thumbs up to the I Heart Macaroons palette. I'll put links below to the products that I used. And yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. See you in my next one. Peace out.